Messy drawers are easy to create, but the always increasing clutter ends up taking up your time. A badly organized drawer can turn your mornings into a disaster. Trying to find items in a cluttered drawer causes delays and frustration. This eventually affects your day-to-day tasks and degrades your life quality. If you're trying to organize your home, you should look into drawer dividers. Here's why these dividers can help you keep your home organized. They aid in your morning routine. Women, in particular, have trouble finding their makeup supplies. By having an organized drawer, you can have a more efficient morning without searching for items when you wake up. You can put everything in drawers and reduce the amount of visual clutter on your countertop by using drawer organizers. Dividers and drawer organizers assist you in making more space in your drawer. In fact, drawer dividers allow you to use all of the space in your drawer, freeing up space for small accessories. A well-organized kitchen will make meal preparation a breeze. It will be simple for you to prepare your meals on the go and locate your supplies as needed. You can keep your spices separated with drawer organizers so you don't mix them up. You can designate a drawer for your knives, forks, and spoons, and use dividers to keep them separate. This allows you to protect the items in containers as a precaution for pets and babies. Check the link in description for the best drawer organizers. Please like, share, and subscribe for more home organization tips.